While several manufacturers have adopted new technologies on their factory floors, most of them are still struggling with digital transformation of their sales processes, which allow them to remain competitive in the quickly changing domestic and global marketplaces. InMindCloud's digital sales platform allows manufacturing companies to rethink and replace antiquated business architectures by unifying and digitizing all aspects of manufacturing sales on a state-of-the-art platform. Today, Acme Corp, a construction equipment manufacturer, leverages InMindCloud's digital sales platform to break down organizational silos, showcase their product differentiation, and provide a better customer experience from the first outreach to aftermarket sales and every point in between. John is a purchaser for a large construction company and is looking for a forklift using Acme's digital sales platform. John conveniently browses products and accesses additional information like technical specs, operating manuals, safety features, and so on. The digital sales platform guides him through the configuration process. The built-in configuration engine and features like context-sensitive help enable John to quickly produce a valid product setup which he can submit as part of the inquiry. Once submitted, an in-house sales rep is informed that John is now ready to engage with. Tara, a sales rep for Acme, just got a notification that her customer John is interested in a forklift. Thanks to the unified platform, she has received the desired product information that John submitted. With a few clicks, she can now review the sales bill of material and potentially recommend suitable products with a similar configuration that yield higher margins and are instantly available. When done, she generates a proposal which she shares with John. John and Tara now have a common ground to further fine-tune requirements and negotiate the final price. The system also guides Tara with discount pricing governed by corporate approval workflows. Tara quickly finds the right quote through her Outlook add-in, logs the email against the quote, and pushes through the order. 6 months later, John needs to purchase some spare parts for his forklift he bought from Acme Corp. Using the digital sales platform, he has access to an online spare part catalog that is based on the unique bill of material, exactly how he configured it in the first place. John is ready to select the parts he needs. He can also place an order quickly using convenient and pre-built reorder capabilities. When ready to check out, he can select Ship to and Bill to information, decide how he wants to pay, and eventually place the order. InMindCloud's digital sales platform, built for manufacturing industry, allows companies to serve its customers with an unprecedented experience. With its unique approach to combine CRM, CPQ, and commerce processes on a single platform, companies can improve speed to quote, increase overall revenue and margins, and reduce the cost of error.